Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to introduce the steering wheel in the SolidEdge. So steering wheel is a very powerful tool. Can do a lot of things. So first let's start with the plane. As you may notice, um, there's a less plane creation options in the synchronized mode than the audit mode. There's only 3 of them. If you switch to the audit mode, you can see there are 3 more, which is parallel, angled, and perpendicular. The reason why the synchronous mode have a less option is because this cannot be done by using the steering wheel. So let's see how it works. First, you start create a plane by using the coordinate system. Then you can see this steering wheel appeared. So by pulling the z-axis, you can lift up the plane. Of course, you can do the other directions, but because they are in the same plane, so it doesn't make too much sense. Also, you can make a copy of the plane by click this move dash copy options. So let's see how that works. You click this z-axis and enter the distance you want to move. So by doing this, you can create a parallel plane. So this is how offset plane works. So if you want to do an angled plane, it's same thing. Click the original plane, and you can move the center to the center of the coordinate system or to either of the axis, which can be a rotational axis. Let's say we put on x-axis here, and then you can start to rotate this wheel. So then you can get a plane in a certain degree. Same thing if you want to make a copy, just click a copy options, and then you enter the angle you want, say 45 degree. So you will have you got a plane with the 35 degree. So let's see how it works on the sketch mode. Say let's create a sketch. Go to the feature tree and click the sketch. You can see the steering wheel appears. If you only click the sketch, it won't appear. Although you can do the pulling options as we introduced before, but you're not able to move these sketches. So to move the sketches, you need to go to the model tree and click the sketch. This is very important. Okay, so now we have selected the sketches. So same thing you can do to the plane. You can move it up, rotate. So let's say we want to make a copy. We can move it up and get another same sketches. And you can maybe want to change the dimension. Let's say I can have a smaller sketch plane. And this is very useful if we want to do the loft. So just simply pick 2 cross sections, and done. You got the loft features. So that's how the steering wheel works for the plane and the sketches. And also you can do for the solid body. So let's say I can let's say I want to move this body. What you can do is you use the box to pick this body, and you can see this steering wheel appears. So you can move the steering wheel anywhere around this body. So there's snap options, which allows you to snap the steering wheel center to the different entities. In this case, I just pick all. You can do a center, end point, middle point, or none. But in this case, I just pick all. So let's say I want to move this to the bottom center of the body. When this small little white sticker show up, it means you are already centered in the bottom surface. Okay. Now I'm going to move this body away from the default coordinate system. Say 20 millimeter. Press escape button to unselect the body. So now you can see this body is 20 millimeter away from the coordinate system. Same thing, I can rotate this body by using a steering wheel. What I can do is I can use this coordinate system, move the steering wheel to one axis, and I can start to use that axis to move the body, rotate the body. In this case, I moved the 90 degree. So yeah, this is a very powerful tool to manipulate different elements like the body, plane, and sketches. So in order to manipulate the planes, surface, it's the same thing. You can click the surface in one on the body, and when you click the center of this handle, you will get this steering wheel show up. Now you can start manipulate this surface, like you can move it up, you can copy the surface, yeah, so it's quite a powerful tool. So let's say I want to move the one feature to another feature. How can I align these two features? So let's create a plate first. Define the sketch plane, and I'm going to sketch a plate. Okay, then I will put it up. Do the other way, because this body is on the way. So let me move this body. Move away this body first. Okay. And I'm going to sketch a box. It's easy to do a box. Okay, say I want to move this conic body to the edge of the plate. How can I do that? First, you want to select this body, and when turn the steering wheel appears, move this to the edge, maybe to the center, bottom center, and now you want to pick these small balls at the end of the handle and right click, have it point to the the edge, the vertex of this corner. Let me do it one more time. So move the handle steering to the bottom, pick the ball, aim to a vertex, and then pulling the handle towards the vertex, and make sure these two are aligned. When you see this white sticker, that means these two features are aligned. So now you can release the button. So now the vertex is aligned with the center of the bottom. Okay, so this is the basic how to use a steering wheel to manipulate different elements. I hope you like it. Thank you. See you next time.